that good? Yummy. Yummy to my tummy. Yummy to my tummy. Starting to spit it out now.
Want some more? You know where it is. Go get it.
Whoa.
Good job. There you go. You're learning. It's right here. Ready for some more?
That's pretty good stuff, isn't it?
No.
Whoops. Are you done? You want to take a break?
Want some more?
Try to keep him upright so it doesn't puke all over the place.
Okay. Here comes some more.
All right. Mmm. Mmm.
Got some. There's more on there.
Don't let him drink it out of the bowl. We don't want to start that habit.
He likes that though.
I like to chew on the bowl. Here you go. Here's some more.
Some more?
What's the matter?
No? Okay. You
Is that
interested in
good
more?
stuff?
What do you think? I'll go sleep.
Let him hold the spoon. See what he does. Just an empty. Well, yeah. You look like the Gerber baby. What are you saying? What is this junk?
I heard you got sweet potatoes at Target the other day. What is this?
Give me some pears. None of this junk. How about some butter in my rice?
No, not working out for you?
Are you a kitty cat or a child? Come on.
No?
It's good stuff. Whoops.
Oops.
New spoon.